In the grand theatre of global affairs, a new actor is taking the stage: artificial intelligence. It's not just about human is now being gradually infiltrated by AI. Imagine a world where Henry Kissinger, the pragmatic diplomat par excellence, is replaced by an AI. Intriguing, isn't it? But how can a machine emulate the finesse, the intuition, the human touch of a seasoned diplomat like Kissinger? Well, the answer lies in understanding the Kissinger approach to diplomacy. Kissinger, renowned for his pragmatic and realpolitik approach, emphasized understanding other countries' culture and philosophy. He was a master of engagement, building relationships with diverse stakeholders. His legacy may be controversial, but his engagement with China stands as a testament to his diplomatic prowess. Now, imagine an AI programmed with Kissinger's diplomatic tactics, his understanding of international relations and culture. This AI, equipped with the ability to process vast amounts of data, could analyze global trends, predict conflicts, and suggest resolutions much faster than any human diplomat. But it doesn't stop there. This AI, devoid of personal bias, could help overcome the binary bias in diplomacy. Binary bias, the tendency to see things in black and white, is a common pitfall in diplomacy. An AI capable of nuanced analysis could provide a more balanced perspective, fostering bipartisan support and holding governments accountable. However, there's a catch. AI, for all its potential, can't replace the human touch, the emotional intelligence that's crucial in diplomacy. It can't empathize or build personal relationships, but it can be a powerful tool, a game changer in the hands of adept diplomats. The intersection of AI and diplomacy isn't a futuristic concept. It's happening right now. It's reshaping how we approach international relations and global conflicts. It's challenging us to rethink our understanding of diplomacy. So, can AI replace Henry Kissinger? Perhaps not entirely, but it can certainly learn from him. It can emulate his techniques, his pragmatism, and his understanding of international relations. But it will always need the human touch, the emotional intelligence, the intuition that only a human diplomat can provide. The future of diplomacy isn't just AI. It's a blend of AI and human intelligence. It's a future where AI empowers diplomats, not replaces them. It's a future where the Kissinger approach to diplomacy is enhanced by AI, making global affairs more transparent, more accountable, and more efficient. Thank your time. Join GetAIKeys.com today. If you're intrigued by the intersection of AI and diplomacy, delve deeper. Learn more about how AI is reshaping diplomacy. Explore the potential and the pitfalls, because the future of diplomacy is here, and it's time to embrace it.